Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Tinalo ng UP Fighting Marons ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 57-46. Best player of the game si Malik Diop sa kanyang 12 points, 16 rebounds, 3 steals, 3 blocks. Nag-ambag naman ng 12 points, 10 rebounds si Lebron Lopez. Felicelda 10 points, 5 rebounds. Abadiano 9 points, 5 rebounds. Torcola 7 points, 3 rebounds, 2 steals. Canceno 3 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist. Para naman sa natalong Ateneo Blue Eagles, Chris Con 10 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists. Balungay 8 points, 6 rebounds. Espinosa 7 points, 4 rebounds. Amo 6 points, 1 rebound. Obasa 4 points, 10 rebounds. Brown 3 points, 1 steal. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Delays Green Archers kontra sa Inyo Bulldogs 97-73. Best player of the game si Mark Nonoy sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 1 rebound. Kiambao 17 points, 8 rebounds. Evan Nel 15 points, 8 assists. Michael Phillips 11 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists. Policarpio 9 points, 3 assists. Escandor 9.7 rebounds. Para naman sa Inyo Bulldogs, Figueroa 19 points, 9 rebounds. Malonzo 13 points, 8 rebounds. Baclaan 12.6 assists. Palacielo 8 points, 4 rebounds. Yu 8 points, 1 steal. Humamoy 7 points, 1 assist. Heto ang full game schedule ng UAAP Season 86 Men's Basketball Finals. November 29, 2023 nagaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Finals Game 1 maglalaban ang UP Fighting Marons kontra sa Delays Green Archers alas 6 ng gabi. December 3, 2023 nagaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Finals Game 2 maghaharap ang Delays Green Archers at UP Fighting Marons alas 4 ng hapon. Kapag umabot pa sa Game 3, December 6, 2023 nagaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Magtutos ang UP Fighting Marons at Delays Green Archers alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.